The idea was pretty simple. I wanted to change a switch that broke on MX16. Luckily I have a MX12 on which I will take the 3-point switch that I will exchange on the MX16. The idea was to dismount the whole MX12, and so I could record back what I did with the MX16, because it was not that easy to see how it was done inside, as you have to remove the front panel. The whole front panel has to be removed in order to dismount one of the joystick, which blocks inside the switch. As you can see, those are the switch, physical switch, whereas on the MX16, those are replaced by electronic and tactical switch. So it's funny. And also the difference is that here you have a space that's used for battery. I don't know what exactly the use is for, maybe to store, or I don't know. So those are actually the main differences I'm seeing. That's it. Just to get back on it, the idea was to take off first, and you have to be very careful, the antenna and the mount of the receiver, the 2.4 gigahertz receiver itself. The antenna is here. Then was to take off the two main screws on top, then unscrew the main board to access the two screws down that are hidden here, the two bottom screws, and they're really on the bottom. Don't touch all the others. On the MX16 you will see other screw, you don't need to touch them. Then unscrew the two middle top screws and the two bottom screws. all this will enable us normally to move the front panel. Before just this, we still need to take off those screws. Okay, and here you go. So this will enable us to access the screws that are hidden here behind that blocks the joysticks. And you'll see after that, once the joysticks are taken off, we'll be able to access the top switches. So you have 3 screws hidden here. 1, 2, 3. I just want to take off one joystick to get this switch. So now, if you want to dismount the electronic, all you need to do is here you go. So that's it. So I'll stop the recording here. What you have to basically remember is that you can follow the steps. Don't forget to really nicely keep all the screws as you've unscrewed them. As I said, on both MX12 or 16, you don't need to dismount this part. You could, although dismount here and there, but I don't want to do it because all the electronics seem pretty tight in. As a reminder, the idea is to remove the front panel in order to access the 2 screws that are behind, hidden, and the third one, which is shred locked. So you have to really go smoothly and try to force a little bit from behind, so you can move it. You can take it off. So if you need to change the whole block, you can do it, but it's gonna take a little while. And here the idea was to take off this switch to put it on the MX16, as I don't use it on the MX12. For me, the MX12 is mainly used as a dual control when with kids.